Question 6. If x plus y equals 5 and x times y equals 1, then we need to find what x cubed plus y cubed is. When you're given an equation with two variables or two unknowns, you need to convert that into one unknown. So let's say x plus y or xy equals 1. We can convert this into just x is equal to 1 over y, dividing y by both sides. And now if we go to the original additional equation, we can now replace the x for 1 over y, since they're both equal to the same thing. So it'd be 1y plus y equal to 5. And then once we're given here at this point, you subtract 5 from both sides to make the equation equal to 5, or set the equation equal to 0. And here we would use the quadratic equation, and to do that we need to have an equation or one of the variables be to the power of 2. So at this point you would multiply both sides by y, and since 0 times anything is 0, let's say 0, and when we're multiplying this by y, the y gets distributed into each of the little operations. So it gets distributed into the 1 over y, into the y, and into the negative 5. And then this would be y times 1 over y, which is just equal to 1, plus y squared minus 5y. Rewrite this in the exponentials in descending order. It should be y squared minus 5y plus 1. And now we have our numbers set up for the quadratic equation. We have our a, our b, and our c. A being 1 could be equal to 1 y squared, our b being negative 5, and our c being 1. And again, you're not given an answer key, so you just need to know the quadratic equation. Be negative b plus or minus the square roots of b squared minus 4ac 4ac all over 2a. And then from here you just take what you're given. So you're gonna get two answers, one of them being x and one of them being y. So it doesn't matter which one you make which. So let's just do x equal to addition and y equal to subtraction. So negative 5, or put the b in for negative b. So the negative 5 times the negative sign, it'd be 5. And then for x, let's do addition, and for y, we'll do subtraction. Negative 5 squared is 25. Minus 4ac. 4 times 1, which is 4. And this is all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So now if you put this into our into a calculator, let me pull up Desmos. Or I don't have the little software of like the Texas calculator, so Desmos will have to do. We can do 5 plus square root of 25 minus 4 all over 2. And then we'll have this number to the power of 3. And then we add this to 5 minus square root of 25 minus 4. And then that divided by what happened? And having that divided by 2. And then also squaring this. And make sure to close parentheses. And we get 110. So if we go back to the equation or the question, we see E is equal to 110.